Hello friends, welcome to Mushkil Ashan. This is Joita Shaha, clinical psychologist. And today we discuss about our self-talk. Self-talk is a very important component in our lives. It determines our emotions, which in turn determine how we will be keeping mentally. Generally, there are a lot of negative statements we often say to ourselves. These are often referred to as the hot links. They are called the hot links because they give rise to negative emotions and inner turmoil within us, which again leads to our negative emotions. So, while speaking to yourself, be kind because that regulates your emotions and that regulates your mental health. Generally, 5 hot links have been identified. So if you keep on check on your hot links for the next 1 week, you can regulate your negative emotions and become a much more positive person and stay well too. Generally, the 5 hot links which are commonly used are condemnation and damnation, I can't stand it, awfulizing, I am worthless, always and never. Let me explain it to you a bit more in details. Generally, when things don't work out the way we want it to, we always condemn the person or condemn the situation or damn the situation. Generally, when you see people driving and the person in front of you is not driving properly, you say a string of adjectives. With those string of adjectives, you make yourself very unhappy, very distressed, very angry, very aggressive. You wish bad things on that person. You curse that person. You say that he cannot drive and why is he on the road driving? So that makes your emotions negative. So stop condemning the situation, the person, or yourself because it only increases your distress. It actually does not solve the situation. Whatever you're saying to the person, he's there way in front of you. So he's not getting to listen to what you say. So it actually does not matter you saying anything to that person. So why make yourself negative by uttering those words or saying those thoughts to your mind? Because as a cognitive behavior therapist, I always say regulate your thoughts, because your thoughts control your emotions, which in turn control your behavior. So when you're having negative thoughts or when you're generating negative statements, obviously your emotions, your feelings are negative and your behavior gets affected. So next time when you condemn a situation, a person or yourself, check the sentence, reframe the sentence. The next thing is, I can't stand it. We often say it. And unconsciously we are giving ourselves those negative vibes. You are actually through the situation cannot change. You do not have a way of changing the situation, but you keep on saying, you keep on repeating, I can't stand it. But at the end of the day, you are doing whatever needs to be done. So stop saying that I can't stand it. Instead of it, reframe yourself. Yes, this is not a normal situation. It is a different situation. Things need to be done differently. This is the new normal. We need to take new precautions. We need to do things which we have never done earlier. But don't say I can't stand it, because you are standing it. You are doing it. Next is awfulizing. Nowadays, you get to hear the word a lot. Everything is awful. You see teenagers, young adolescents, young adults saying often, it's awful, life sucks, it is awful, she is awful, he is awful. Everything is awful for them. Don't use such a strong word like awful, horrible, terrible. It only affects your psyche. Instead of change your vocabulary, say it is inconvenient, it's a hassle, it's a difficult situation, but don't stamp it as such a negative connotation, because that would make your emotional health matter and worsen. Then comes, I am worthless. A lot of people go through this. They believe that they cannot do anything properly, and they believe that they are worthless. This leads to helplessness, and often this leads to depression. So if you continuously say such unkind words to yourself, how do you expect that others will be kind towards you? You need to accept yourself first, then others will accept. Okay, fine, the first time it was not successful when you did something. So you have to try it again instead of saying to yourself that you are worthless. And avoid saying always and never. We generally say this person is doing always like this to me. He or she is never listening to me. So these are again very strong negative words. Always things cannot go back. Things do change. If you keep a notice on the happenings in your life, you'll see both negative and positive happening. But when something negative occurs, we always say this. And the person is never doing this. So avoid saying these 5 hot links. Till we meet again, hopefully I'll be expecting that all of you have managed to reframe your self-statements and negative talk and keeping better. Thank you for watching it.